It's like he's just like digesting it. Here, honey, want to look through these?
I'm videoing.
See his mouth's open?
He was just doing a couple of gulps.
Yeah, well, he's wide. He's just wide open right now. Hey, look through this. Do you want to see Nanny?
No. What's he doing?
There he is. See him? He's lowering his head.
Shh.
Okay, you believe me now? Look at this. You can see it, Nanny. Look at this.
Shh.
It's amazing. He's way out of the water.
Quiet.
Oh, see him ripping that? That is one big gator, man.
Let me see. Tell Jeannie to come out. Go get Jeannie.
See his head? He just trashed that. He threw that half up and ripped it apart.
Oh, I sure can't see it, Bill.
He just went under the water.
He just disappeared. He'll be back. He's got pieces left up. I think he's got it all on video. And that, he came 5 feet out of the water. He's a huge gator. There he is again. There he's up. See him? See him, Mom?
No.
How can't you miss
Oh,
him?
yeah.
Huh?
Oh, I see him now. He just went, oh, yeah. I was looking in the wrong place.
He'll come back up again because he's got a piece. See that white thing on the island is part of the bird. Hey, Jeannie.
There he goes again. Did you see him?
Mm-hmm.
Boy, you guys have good eyesight to see him without. Look at this little duck. You better stay out of the way, little duck. Is Jeannie there?
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
He's sleeping. He's not interested.
Have fun.
There he is again. He's
Yep.
He's going to get ready
Yep.
to come up.
Yep. I saw
There
him.
he is.
Yep. He's
Is it
way
big
out.
enough
Oh,
for
he's
you?
pulling it. He's pulling his lunch out. I see it, Bill.
Yeah.
Amazing. That's very exciting.
Yeah, he got that bird. That white stork or whatever it was.
Go cook the chicken.
That grill's going. I gotta get those chickens on.